Hi students, good morning. In the previous class, we discussed about unit cells, type of unit cells like body centered, face centered and end centered. So today we go into the 7 crystal systems, either we called Bravais systems anta karite. Okay, so in this 7 particularly the system containing which are those crystal system. First one cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, hexagonal, trigonal, monoclinic and triclinic. These are the 7 crystal systems we can observe in a crystal systems. So let me discuss one by one. The first one is cubic. You have to observe cubic. 8 corners, all the angles will be S. This is a axial distance or edge length. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Okay. The angles, axial angles, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. All those will giving 90 degrees. Okay. First one is cubic crystal system. Is a possible variations. What are the possible variations we can be observed in the types of unit cells? Primitive, yes, you know the primitives, only the corners. Then body center, corners and along with the central atom of a body, its body. And the face center of each faces containing of a atom. So, how much variations we can observe in a cubic structure? 3 variations, primitive, body centered and face centered. So axial distance athwa edge length we called as A is equal to B and B is equal to C. Okay, all those are equal. So in the unit cell, I forget the angles is perpendicular. In the last we discussed angles. This is what A, B and C. The angles at the edges, the angle is perpendicular, may not be. May be perpendicular or may not be perpendicular. Not to be exactly perpendicular, may be perpendicular, otherwise not perpendicular to each other. So A is equal to B, B is equal to C. Then axial angles is also same, alpha, beta, gamma, both were giving a 90 degrees. The examples of sodium chloride, zinc blende, copper, these are the examples of cubic crystals. So in examination we will be asking one more question. What are the variations we can observe in a cubic crystals? We can write it 3 cubic structures, which are those primitive, body center or face center. We ask what are the angles, axial angles in a cubic structure? We are asking alpha, beta, gamma is 90 degrees. Anyway, questions will be arranged in a one more questions in a examinations. Okay, next tetragonal. This is a tetragonal structure. We can observe possible variation is how much variation we can observe primitive. Listen students, observe all the structure we can, primitive structure is compulsory. Okay, primitive and body center. Total 2. In this section, axial distance A is equal to B but not equal to C. And also same, the angles of those alpha, beta and gamma is 90 degree. The examples of white tail. This is what? Tetragonal structures. Can observe alpha is equal to beta but not C. So then orthorhombic, this is not the special category. This is obey the 4 variations. Possible variation, primitive, body center, face center and also end center. There are the 4 possible variation we can observe only the orthorhombic. Okay students, this is the actual distance of edge lengths are not equal to each other. Equal, but distance may be perpendicular, they can alpha, beta, gamma, we get 90 degrees. This is the example of rhombic sulfur, either potassium nitrate. So then fourth one, it is a hexagonal. This is the structure of hexagonal. So hexagonal possible only one primitive. The angle C is A is equal to B but not C. Then alpha beta hexagonal structure ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ two are the axial structures. One is the axial structures and edge centers. So that make what alpha beta giving a 90 degrees. One more angles will giving a 120 degree angles. So this example is graphite or zinc oxides. Then next one trigonal. This is a variation is primitive alpha beta. This is trigonal like cubic. Cubic and trigonal both were related. So trigonal structure giving a primitive structure. The angles were same and axial distance were same. This is what we call calcite or calcium carbonate. This is the example. Next sixth one monoclinic. Monoclinic. It is giving primitive and end center. How much? Two possible variations. The angles not to be equal. It is also alpha and gamma 90 degree, but beta is not 90. Monoclinic sulfur is the example. Then last one triclinic. Triclinic means only the possible one variations. This is angle is same as like monoclinic. This is a angles also not equal to each other and potassium chromate and copper sulfate, potassium permanganate. So now we are going to the examination. We'll be asking 1 or 2 marks as to the variations or the angles or examples. Okay, students. So in the last class we said about brevis, lattice. See here, what are the possible variation we can observe? Actually, the 7 crystals, how much possible variation we can be observed? One of the structure can observe 4 possible variations. 4 possible variation we can observe. In how much structures are there? I mean, crystal system 7. Actually, 28. We can observe the possible variation, but we cannot observe the all 28. Only observe how much? 3 plus 2 plus 4, 1, 1, 2, 1. Total 14 possible variations we can observe. This is a what? Brevis lattice. Only the observed 14 possible variation. Those are all what? Primitive, body center, face center and end center. What are those? This is the 14 possible variation we can observe in the crystal system. Okay, students? Listen carefully. This is the chart. It's very important. Okay. Next, we move to the number of atoms present in a unit cells. Number of atoms or particles. Students, next to number of atom or particles present in a system. Unit cell present in a unit cells are present in a cell. Okay, let me discuss one by one. First one is primitive. Primitive. Already know the definition of primitive. What is the definition of primitive? Primitive means constant particles present only the corners. Corners only matra we can observe the particles or lattice points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, students. Number of atoms or particles present in a unit cell. Primitive unit cells. Yes, two atoms we can observe. Okay. Let me know it. For example, you taken half of the ball. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ವಾಟ್ 4 possible chances are there. Going to the 4 possible chances. This is a unit cell going to the moving. So how much of the half of the ball, how much we can observe? 1/4. One of the part is mixed together into what? 1/4 is observed in a half of the ball. Okay, how much atom is there? Completely one ball. So one ball complete agide andre remaining 4 iರ್ತದೆ. So that make what? One atom containing 1/8 of the corners. ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಟಮು ಈ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದರ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1/8 ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Half of the bottle we can observe 1/4 ಇದೆ. One full atom we can consider one full of the ball. They can remaining 4. They can get 1/8 corners in a present in a one atom. Okay, this is what about we said primitive unit cells. So first point, the corners. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಟೋಟಲ್ 8 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. And in this corners of 8 atoms, how much of the part of the one atom? This is a 1/8 part. That make what? One atom. Number of atom is present. Atom present in a primitive. Only one atom. There ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ? 8 ಇದಾವೆ. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ? 1/8 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ. 1/8 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 8 divided by 881. This is the only one atom present in a primitive unit cell. Okay students, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 4th ಭಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಫುಲ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಅದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ? 1/8 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? 8 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ one atom is present in a primitive unit cells. Okay students, next one, body centered unit cell. Body centered unit cell ನೋಡೋಣ. The body centered unit cell can observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. This is a what? Corners. How much? 8 corners. This is 8 corners means how much the involvement? This is 1/8. This is called what? One atom present. Okay students? This is the 8 corners. 8 corners andre 1/8 divided by 1 atom. So, ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. One body center. One body center ಇದೆ. This is a one atom body center ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is called what? One body center. This is a one atom. This is observed clearly. Doesn't vary. That make what? 2 atoms present in a body center. Body center we can observe 2 atoms. Here shows 8 corners and one of the body center. 8 divided by 1/8. This is a one atom, and remaining one atom is a present in a body. Okay, body one atom present irutte. This is called one atom. To get 2 atoms. In a primitive, only one atom is present. In a body center, 2 atoms are present. So the next two. Third one, phase center. Unit cell. Phase centered is how much? Already know that phase centered is 8 corners plus 6 faces, each faces. Total 14 possible lattice points. Lattice points in 14 in a phase center atom. Let me know it. This is what? One of the cube we taken. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how much faces? this is all what? 8 corners. 8 corners means 1 by 8 into 8. 8 corners, 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1 atom present. Then remaining what? Yes, 6 faces. 6 faces. What are this? 1 face, 2 faces, 3 faces. This is a 4 faces. The front 1 faces and back 1 faces. Students, we can observe 1 faces we have to be observed. Half of the part we can observe. Remaining half of the part in the backward the positions. We can observe the faces only the half of the part. So in a remaining half in the back position. Okay, that make what? The 6 faces divided by 1 by 2, because of half of the faces we can only the observed. That was we called as 6 into 1 by 2. This is called what? 6 into 1 by 2. 3 atoms. Total 3 plus 1, 4 atoms present in a where face centered unit cells. ಯಾವುದೇ ಫೇಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಹಾಫ್ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಫೇಸ್ 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತವು? 6 ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 8 ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 6 ಫೇಸಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2, 3 atoms. Total we can observe the face centered in itself. Only the 4 atoms we can observe. The last one, end center. End centered in itself. End centered means yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 corners. This is what we call as 8 into 1 by 8, 1 atom. Clear, students? Okay. Next, how much faces we can observe? End center, opposite, alternative faces. This is a 1 face, this is a 2 face. This is what? 2 faces we can observe. 2 faces means 1 by 2. This is 1 atom. You can get what? 2 by only the 2 atoms we can observe in the end center unit cells. Okay, students, this is about primitive. Only 1 body center, 2. This is 4 end center also. 2 atoms were observed. In our examination, will be asked in these 3 any type of 2 questions. Explain about how much number of atoms is present in a primitive unit cells, either face centered unit cells. You can understand, this is the term you get. Okay, students.